If you've lost access to your Thinkific account and don't have your phone number available for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the Thinkific login page. Go to the Thinkific website and click on the login option. This will take you to the page where you can enter your credentials. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the password recovery process. Step 3. Enter your email address. Provide the email address associated with your Thinkific account. Make sure it is the correct email to ensure you receive the recovery instructions. Step 4. Check your email. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Follow the instructions. Click on the link in the email and follow the prompts to reset your password. Once you've recreated a new password, you should be able to log into your account. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to Thinkific's support team for further assistance.